Welcome back again, guys. The law of compulsive behavior. When choosing people to work and associate, we do not memorize by their reputation or take it in by the surface image, and they try to project it. Say, train yourself to look deep within them and see the character. People's character is formed in their earliest and year by the daily habit. It is what compels them to repeat certain action in their lives and fall into negative pattern. Look closely as such patterns and remember people never do something just once. They will inevitably repeat their behavior because the relative strength of their character by how well they handle adversity, the ability to adapt, work with their other peoples, and the patience and ability to learn away or gravitate out toward those who display sign of strength and away or avoid many toxic types of out there. Know thoroughly your own characters. You can break your compulsive pattern and take control of your destiny. Key to human nature. If we are honest with ourselves, we must admit there is some truth to the concept of fate. We are prone to repeat the same decision and method of dealing with the problem. There is a pattern into our life, particular visible is our mistaken, but there is different way of looking at this concept. It is not spirit of God that controls it, us but rather our character. The etymology of the word character from the ancient Greek refer to an engraving, stamping instrument character that it is something that is so deeply ingrained or stamped within us that is compel us to act in a certain way of beyond our awareness and control. As a student of a human nature, your task is to first you must come to understand that your own character, examining as best you can element in your past that you have gone into forming into the pattern most negative that you can see recurring in your life. It is possible to get rid of the stem that constitute your character. It is too deep, but through awareness you can learn to mitigate or stop certain negative pattern. You can work to transform the negative and weak aspect of your character into actual strength. You can try to create new habit and pattern to go with them through practice, actively shaping your character and the destiny to that goes with it. Second, you must develop your skills in reading the character of the people you deal with. To do so, you must consider character as primary value when it comes to choosing a person to work or with or and intimate partners. This means giving it more value than the charm, intelligence, or reputation. The ability to observe people character as seen as in actions and pattern. It is an absolutely critical social skill. It can help you avoid precisely those kind of decisions. Then help you can spell off your misery, choosing an incompetent leader, shady partner, scheming assistants, or the kind of incompatible spouse who can poison your life. But it is a skill you must concisely develop because we humans are generally impaired when it comes to such assessment. The general source of impairment, we tend to base our judgment of people on what is most appropriate, but people often try to cover up by their weakness by presenting them as such as something positive. The first step then in studying character is to be aware of this illusion and facades and train ourselves to look through them. We must scrutinizing everybody for sign of their character, no matter appearance they present or the position they occupy. With this firmly in mind, we can work out several key components to the skill, recognizing certain signs that people emit in certain situations that clearly reveal the character, understanding some general category that people fit into strong versus weak character, for instance, and finally being aware of certain type of character then that often are most toxic should be avoided if possible. The most significant indicators people's character come through their actions over time, despite what people say about the lessons they have learned and how they have changed over the years. You will inevitably notice the same action and decision repeating in the course of their life. In this decision, they reveal their character. You must take notice of a slight form of behavior disappearing when there is too much threat, not completing an important piece of work, turning the liability into one challenge, or conversely, suddenly rising to the occasion when give responsibility. With this fix in your mind, you do some research into the past, you look at the other action you have observed into the pattern. Now, retrospect, you pay close attention to what they do in the present. You see their action not as an isolated incident, but as a partner of a compulsive pattern. If you ignore the pattern, it is your own fault. You must always keep in your mind the primary goal of this law. People never do something just one might try to excuse themselves to say the laws they hide in the moment, but you can be sure they will repeat whatever foolishness they did on the other occasion, compelled by the other character and a habit. In the fact, they will often repeat when it is completely against their self-interest, revealing the compulsive nature of their weakness. It is a critical that you measure and relative strength. People character think of its way of strength comes from the deep within the core of a person. It should be stemmed from a mixture of a certain factors, genetic, secure parenting, and good mentor along the way of constant improvement. Whatever the cause, this strength is not something displayed on outside in the form of a brute aggression, but manifests itself overall resilience and adaptability. Strong character has a tensile quality like a good piece of a metal. It can give and bend but still retain its overall shape and never break. The strength emitted from the feeling of personal security and self-worth. This allows such people to take criticism and learn from their experience. This means they do not give up so easily. Since they want to learn how to get better, they register presents people of strong character are open to new ideas without doing those without compromising their basic principle. They adhere to people of weak character being from the opposite position. They are easily overwhelmed by circumstance making them hard to rely on them. Their slippers worst of all cannot be taught because learning from the other implies criticism means you will continually hit a wall dealing with them. They may appear listen to your instruction but they will simply revert to what they think is best. We are all mix of strong and weak qualities. Some people clearly win in one of the directions. As much as you want to work associate with strong character and avoid weak ones. In causing strength or weakness, look how people handle stressful movements and responsibility. Look at their look at their pattern, what they have actually completed and accomplished. You can also test people for instance of good nature joke at the expense can be quite revealing. Do response graciously to not see caught up in their insecurity or do they reply resentment or even anger to gauge their trustworthiness as a team player. Give them a strategic information or share with them some rumor. Do they quickly pass along the information to others? Are they quick to one of your ideas and pack it as their own? Criticize them in a direct manner. Do do they take this to heart and try to learn and improve, or do they show what sign of resistance? Give them an open-minded assignment with the less direction than usual and monitor low how organized they fought and their challenge them other different some novels a way of doing something. See how they respond, how they handle their anxiety. Remember, big character will neutralize all the other possible good qualities a person might possess. There are some hidden costs to working with them. Hiring someone less charming, intelligent, but of a stronger time over the long run. People of a real strength as rare as gold. If you find them, you should respond. If you had a discovered treasure, toxic type. Although each person character is a unique as a fine fingerprint, we can notice throughout the history create types that are recurring that and that can be particularly previously to deal exposure more obviously. Even manipulation character that can spot a mile away that this type of trick only over time do you see toxic nature beneath an appearance. Often when it's too late, your best defense is to be armed with no knowledge of this type. Though to notice sign earlier on the hand to get involved is to disengage from them as policy as possible. Hyper perfectionists you are lured into their clearly how hard they work, how dedicated they are, making the best of whatever is they produce. But if you have the misfortunate agreeing to work with such a type of delegate task, they have to oversee everything. It is less about high standard and dedication to the group than about power and control. Such people often have dependency issues stemming from their family background. Any feeling that might be have depend on someone from sometimes open up for old wound anxiety. They have pattern of initiate success followed by the burnout and spectacular failure. It is the best recognized type of before getting enmeshed on any level. Thank you.